Welcome into the channel. We have an unboxing today. I'm super excited. We've been waiting for a long time to get this in. This was my Father's Day present. It was ordered 2 weeks before Father's Day. It just got here today. I want to unbox this, show all of you, and then this weekend, we're going to put it to the test. We're going to cook. And there's reasons I bought this particular smoker, this particular pellet smoker, versus any other smoker out there on the market. I've done a ton of research on the different types of portable smokers. There's a reason why I picked this one. I'm gonna let y'all know. So let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Let's see what we got. We got a delivery slip. Our tool. I believe it's a 10 millimeter. So that's cool. We got a cool smokestack. Right? Awesome. Put that right here. Oh, cool. We got a handy dandy carrying case. Pretty cool. We'll unpack that later. That thing is not light. I'm telling you right now. I am so excited about this. I have done so much research about this product that I am just super stoked to actually have one of these and then to show you. It is so cool. We're gonna put down the legs, and I'm gonna show you how to put the legs up real quick. One person job to do the legs. So freaking cool. There you go. Legs are done. Woo. It's hot in here. Look at that. Look how cool that is. All right. Let's get our 10 millimeter out. Now you're going to want to keep this tool handy, and I'll explain to you why here in a little bit. But first things first. Look at all the goodies. We gotta turn the handle around. Pretty simple. Except for when you drop the... Oh, I love it. Keep all the washers that come with this. Come through the back. With the bolt. Put your heat washers down. And just start the thread. Don't lose this because you're going to need it. Got the styrofoam. So, this is the reason why, and I'll bring it in. This is the reason why I bought this. Every other portable smoker out there, Traeger, all of them like this, you need an inverter. You need to plug the Traeger in to an inverter. You spend however much a Traeger is, or whatever else, and then you got to buy an inverter on top of that. That's why I got this. Green Mountain Grill, you don't have to do that. It's 12 volt or 120. You can do either or. And you can even hook it up to your car battery. Right here, they give you the jumpers. They give you everything you need to make this portable. I mean, that's what you're looking for, right? You spend $300 something. I don't want to spend another 150, whatever it is, to get a stupid inverter. Build one in to the unit. That's what they did. That's why I did all this research. It took me a while. Hello, it's all inclusive. Power supply. Again, 12 volt. It's a converter. It's all here. You don't have to go out and buy anything extra. It's all included. Pretty cool, huh? The other thing too is it's Wi-Fi. It'll hook right up to your cell phone and you can control it on your cell phone. Great. Check this out. This is cool. Goes right here, slides over, just hangs down. Done. Let's put on the smokestacks. This is heavy duty. This is not flimsy stuff. This is like heavy duty stuff. I'm like super impressed with this right now. I just hope it can cook. Oh, I can cook. This thing will probably outcook me. You have 3 bolts over here on the side. Again, 10 millimeter. You just gotta crack them. Right? Gasket, smokestack. Go ahead and put one of your bolts through. All you're looking to just start it. Grab yourself another bolt. When you're going to put it away, this slides, right? So it'll rotate. So that's why you want to keep this tool, or 10 millimeter. Now you don't have to crank down on this thing like it's going out of style. Just nice and easy. Right? It's on there. That's it. That's your installation. we'll get through them. We'll season this at a later date, and I'll show you how to do that probably over the weekend. I'll season all this stuff up. You got to take out the thing, the heat shield and the fire diverter, and put in some pellets in here, and I'll show everybody how to do that. But this is the installation of the Green Mountain Grill, Davy Crockett. And this thing is heavy duty. I'm telling you, it is heavy duty. You're going to like it. It will not disappoint. Pretty freaking cool. I've been waiting forever for this. So anyway, as always, I love you, and I'll see you next time.